Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make flower corsages out of tissue paper. Now a corsage is flowers that you typically wear on your wrist or on your clothes for a special occasion. What you're gonna need is a piece of cardstock. It's a little bit heavier of a paper, and you're gonna draw a circle, or you could trace a circle. I'm gonna trace the circle on my ribbon here. Maybe a cup or a mug might work well, something like that. Trace a circle. I'm gonna do 2 of them. All right, there we go. Then we're gonna cut out these circles. There's one. All right, so there's my 2 circles. So now I'm gonna take a little piece of white tissue paper. You can use whatever colors you want. And I'm just gonna cut like a little square, little scrap. It doesn't have to be a perfect square, just a little scrap here. And actually I'm gonna do 2 of them, 1 for each flower. All right, this is gonna be the middle of the flower. So I'm gonna take some glue and I'm gonna put like a little circle of glue in the middle of my circles here. And then I'm gonna take this scrap of white tissue and I'm gonna kind of crumple it up into a little ball. And I'm gonna stick it right on that glue. I'm gonna do it again for the other one. Right in the middle, there is the center of our flower. Now I'm gonna make 1 pink flower and 1 red flower. So let's start with the pink. I'm gonna take a full piece of tissue paper here and I'm gonna start rolling it up as tight as I can. So here is my rolled up piece of pink. Now I'm gonna kind of twist it a little bit to make it even skinnier and more squished up. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put glue all around the rest of this circle. And we're gonna stick that tissue on it. So we kind of need a lot of glue because we want it to stick all the way around the flower. All right, I'm gonna start on the inside by the middle of that flower, and I'm just gonna kind of wind it around the flower, kind of like a spiral. Perfect. And get that end down really, really well. Squish it down there. All right, now, if you have leftover, like I do, I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut around and get all that extra cardstock off of there. All right, there's part of my first flower. Now let's do the same thing with the red. So I'm gonna take a full sheet of red tissue and I'm gonna roll it nice and tight again. Here we go. All right, there's my red. Now I'm gonna squish it and squeeze it and twist it and make it really small if I can. Twist it, squeeze it, twist it. There we go, just like that, looking good. All right, you ready to make the red flower? What we're gonna need to do first is put glue all over the cardstock. All right, here we go. Remember, we're gonna start in the middle around that white middle part, and we're just gonna start working this red tissue around it like a spiral. All right, and squish that end down really good so it stays. All right, now I'm gonna cut off all the leftovers. Here we go. All right, now we have 2 really pretty flowers. Now we're gonna put them on the leaf or the stem, and that is actually gonna be what wraps around our hand and ties like a corsage too. So you want it to be kind of a little bit long so you have room to tie, and you're gonna cut it off. Okay, and now I'm just gonna glue these in the center like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glue. It's gonna take kind of a lot of glue. This is a time to really put some glue on there. If you have something like hot glue, you could use something like that. It might help it stay more, but make sure you have an adult help you. All right, here's my red flower, and here's my pink flower. All right, then I would take this, tie it on, and I'm ready to go. If you want to do more fun activities, visit our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.